Learn Figma. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to the Figma website. On the top right corner, click Login or Get Started for free. You can continue using your Google account. Once redirected, open Gmail and verify your email to proceed. After that, Figma will ask you a few quick questions. Just answer them to continue. Next, choose a plan, starter, professional, or organization. Then select what you want to use Figma for, such as design with Figma, 𝗕𝗂𝘀𝗀𝘀, slides, prompt with Make, or 𝗕𝗂𝘀𝗂𝘀𝗂. You can skip this step if you like. Once inside the main Figma dashboard, the left panel shows templates and tools, drafts, all projects, and trash. You can also access your profile. On the top right, you'll find options to start a new design, 𝗕𝗂𝘀𝗀𝘀, slides, buzz, or site project. You can also import your own project files. Open a project to begin, and Figma will show you 5 onboarding tips. Read them and press Next. On the left, view your project files and assets. You can rename the project or click the arrow icon for more options. On the right, access design and prototype settings. Below, use tools like frame, rectangle, pin, text, comment, and action. You can also access assets, install plugins and widgets. To share, click Share at the top right. Set access to view or edit. Then copy the link or send invites by email.